which would be the door checkstrap. For a car that's supposed to be silent, it's making a little too much noise for my liking. So go with me as I go ahead and try to fix this DIY and do this on a budget and see what we can come up with. Hey, what's going on, you guys? So quick backstory. Bought this 2022 Tesla Model 3 from Hertz X Rental. They say it's controversial to purchase a rental car, and on top of that, it'd be an EV. On top of that, a Tesla. I went ahead and purchased that vehicle. Haven't had any real issues yet, but ran into one, which would be the door checkstrap. For a car that's supposed to be silent, it's making a little too much noise for my liking. So go with me as I go ahead and try to fix this DIY and do this on a budget and see what we can come up with. For the quick fix, what I'm gonna attempt to do is remove this bolt here. It should be a 13mm socket. I'm gonna loosen that up and see if I can maneuver this up or down any kind of way and see if that'll help with the clicking or snapping that I'm hearing with that there. So let's see what we come up with. Okay, so I got a little bit of give there. If you guys saw that, just happened. So I'm gonna put this back on here. I'm gonna hold it down in this place and see if that fixes it. I'm tightening it now while I'm holding it down. I won't go all the way. And then let's just see if we have any difference in this sound. Okay, that did nothing. Let me release this again. Maybe we'll go up this time. All right, let's check this out. Nope, still doing it.
It's quieter though.
It's only clicking once now.
Yeah.
All right, so let me loosen this again. Still doing it. So you see, obviously that didn't work. Try to adjust it down, apply a lot of pressure, downward pressure, retighten it and see if maybe reposition it that way would fix that sound for us. Let's go ahead and we're gonna retighten this bad boy. All right, that should do it there. Now let's see if that was the fix that we needed. I don't know. You guys tell me, because I don't hear anything.
Yeah.
Okay. The door is even like feels tighter. Well, I feel as though it's safe to say that we might have fixed this one. So we avoided the service center. Now it's a quick fix. Didn't have to remove the speaker, the door panel, anything. Maybe we'll make this a series. We'll see about fixing all of my little quirks and issues with my rescue vehicle. We'll put it as that. Yeah, so I rescued the Tesla. We'll see about fixing some other things, so stick around.